Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachman, and today I'll be showing you the 2018 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. You can see this boat has the optional bimini top. As we step around back, you'll notice it's powered by a 60 horse Mercury Command Thrust 4-stroke outboard. Looking at the stern, we have bucket and rod holders on both sides, as well as the live well. Fore and aft facing leaning post. Plenty of room for in-dash electronics. This boat also has the fishing package, which gives you a tackle drawer on the starboard side of the console. Cooler cushion and seat back rod holders. This boat does have the bow cushion as well on the casting deck, and has the optional trolling motor panel, so you can it is ready to go. Plug your trolling motor in. If you'd like more information on this boat or any others, give me a call, 813-503-2649. You can come down, see it in person, or set up a demo and get on the water. Thanks and have a good day.